What is up guys, this is Adrika Bhadauria from Extra Coin YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn how to make a loading bar, or we can say a progress bar, in Tkinter. So let's get started. So friends, first we will import Tkinter. So import Tkinter as Tk, and then we will import progress bar. So from tkinter dot ttk import progress bar. Okay, so now next we will import time. Okay, we will import time module. Now we will make a window. Okay guys, now first we will make the bar. So here we will make a variable bar. Here we will write progress bar. So guys, we don't have to write ttk dot progress bar because we have imported progress bar here only. Okay, as you can see here we have imported progress bar from tkinter dot ttk. So that's why we don't have to write ttk dot progress bar. We will simply write progress bar and then we will give the window. Next we will give the orient. Orient is that we want our bar to be horizontal or vertical. As you can see here, it's giving two values, horizontal or vertical. Okay, so if we want our bar to be horizontal, we will write here horizontal. Okay, and then I will give the length to my bar, and here let's say 300. Okay, and then I have to give a position to my bar. That's why I will give bar dot back. Okay guys, now if we run this much code, as you can see here, here's the bar on the topmost center, right? It won't work right now because we have to give some functions. Okay, so now let's work on that. So here we will make a percentage label so that we can get how much percentage our progress bar has completed. So we will write here percent. It's a variable, percent to be a string var, and then we will write percent label to be tk dot label. Okay guys, now here I will write window, and then I will give the text variable. Okay, I will give the text variable here. So what's our text variable? Percent, in which we have stored tk dot string var. Okay, now I will write percent label dot pack. Okay guys, now why have we written percent is equals to tk dot string var? Because after every step our progress bar will complete, we have to change the value of label na. So if we change the value of percent label, it won't change because labels can't change its value. Okay, but the percent which is holding tk dot string var can change its value. That's why we have written percent equals to tk dot string var. I have written, I will write button, it's a variable, and then we will write tk dot button. I will give window text download, and then I will give a command so that my button can respond. So here I will give download. Okay, now here I will write button dot pack. Okay, so what are we going to do next? We will make a function download. As you can see, we have given the command, so we have to make a function as well. So I will write define download. Okay, so here I will make a variable x, and then I will give its value to be 0. Now I will use for loop. Why for loop? Because our progress bar itself has to complete itself step by step now, so that's why we will use for loop here. For I in range 10, so our loop will work 10 times from 0 to 9. Okay, now here I will use time dot sleep. It will sleep for 1 second. Okay, now here I will write bar value, and value to be plus equals to 10. And then I will write percent. Remember guys, it shouldn't be percent label, it should be percent, in which we have stored tk dot string var, percent dot set, and then here I will use f string. Here I will write x plus equals plus 10, and then after the curly braces I will write percent. I will make it clear to you guys. So now I will write x plus equals to 10, and then I will write window dot update, window dot update idle tasks, update idle tasks. Okay, so what are we doing here? We have first made a we have first made a variable, and then we have used for loop, which will work 10 times from 0 to 9, and then we have written time dot sleep 1. So uh, after taking every step, it will sleep for one time, it will stop for 1 second. Okay, and then we have written bar value. So this will get the value of the bar, and it will increase the value by 10. That's why we have written bar value plus equals to 10. Okay, so our percent label has to change its value as well, right? If our bar is changing its value, our percent label should also change its value. Okay, so that's why I have written percent dot set. So here I have used app string, and inside the strings I put curly braces, and inside the braces I have written x plus 10. Okay, and then I put a percentage sign after the braces. Why I put percentage sign after the braces? Because you may know that the percentage is considered as modulo, right? So if we give this sign, let's cut it and paste it inside the braces, it will give an error. As you can see, it will give an error. Why? Because modulo sign is used to get the remainder, and there should be uh, two numbers, one before the sign and one after the sign. So it will throw an error. We don't have to get any remainder, so we will put it after the braces only, so that it will be considered as string only. And then I have written x plus equals to 10. Why I have written plus x plus equals to 10? Because as you can see, the value of x is 0. If our loop will work first time, what it will do, it will write x plus equals to 10 as the percent label. It will set, okay, the string var to be x plus equals to 10. So what is 0 plus 10? It's 10. So 10%. It will set the value of percent to be 10%. And then our percentage label, which is having text variable as percent, will show 10%. Okay. And then I have written x plus equals to 10. So if it is 0, now it will, what it will do, it will add itself to 10. So 10 plus 0 equals to 10. So now our x, the value of our x is 10. Okay. Now when our for loop will work next time, the second time, the value of x is 10. So it will first sleep for 1 second, and then it will get the value of bar, which was already uh, updated to 10 in first round. So in this round it will become 20. Okay. Now we will write percent dot set f string, and inside this we have written x plus 10. So in first round, in previous round, our x converted to was converted to 10. So this time 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So this time our will be so this time our percent will be changed to 20%, and then our percent label will show 20% to us on the screen. And then I have written window dot update idle task. So to update my window every time when the bar is changing its value again and again, and percent label is also changing its value again and again, so that's why we have to update our window every time. That's why I have written window dot update idle tasks. So guys, here's our code, and then we will run it. So as you can see, here's a bar and here's the download button. Okay, when we will click the download, as you can see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. As you can see, our label is changing again and again. 100%. Okay, cool. So guys, hope you got it. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you all. So see you soon in my next video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.